Welcome to Black Trading. This is a channel that's going to go over mainly technicals, understanding how price delivers, Wyckoff structure, and all those sorts of things. There's a big thing of fundamentals which drive prices, overall price direction, which is a completely different topic, which is imperative to really creating a good trading strategy that will be profitable over time. But today we're going to talk about how price is fractal. And what we mean by price is fractal is that price delivery happens the same on every single time frame, whether it be the 5 minute, 30 second, 30 minute, 4 hour, all these different time frames. Price plays out just about the same way in every sort of way. So right now we're looking at GU. GU, British pound to US dollar. This is on the 5 minute. Of course, you can find this on the 30 hour, whatever your trading style is like. Understanding how price delivers. So you get distribution, accumulation into distribution. But typically you get distribution, accumulation, manipulation to distribution, right? And Wyckoff structure, accumulation schematic 1 really goes into depth about how this works. So just here, this is just an example. We get delivery, we get price delivery right here. Second, so we have some accumulation. So we have the sell climax, we have the up thrust into the UT, into the test, into the UT2, into the spring, and then distribution happens, right? The term spring or distribution, manipulation, are the same thing, really. You can call it sell side, buy side liquidity. It's all the same thing, right? So again, we get distribution, we have accumulation, so selling climax to a up thrust. We have a test of the previous order block right here. Maybe that order block is on the 1 minute, 30 second. We don't know unless we go check. So we get another up thrust, come down for the spring, grabbing liquidity so you can continue this move higher. So if you think about how these banks, institutions move money, they're hedging. So they're constantly coming out of, they go into longs, into shorts, and they typically bring price back down to areas that they need to mitigate to get out of those previous positions, right? So they drive these prices up, right? They're in these longs. Here, then they get into shorts here. And so they need to push price back down. And this is that manipulation, grab liquidity, so they can then drive prices up, right? Same thing again. You get this distribution. You have the selling climax. You get a UT, a test, and then that schematic then plays out again. Look, just every time frame this happens. So when you're sitting here, is like, oh, why is it when I get into the trend, I get taken out or it hits my stop loss? It's because you're not waiting for the spring. You're not waiting for the manipulation. You need to wait for these things, for confirmation and confluence, to then enter a trade and be successful over time and create a good trading strategy, right? We're pure trend followers here at trading, Black Trading. So this is a big part of our style. So when we know that, let's say, US dollar is having not such good news come out, like today, I think PMI was not good. So GU, AU, all these different pairs they're going up, right? US dollar is getting weak based off data. Things were hawkish, given that's why AU, GU, and all these other US dollar currencies were going down. But right now, they've made, at least the Fed, FOMC, like they've made dovish comments, meaning if you were to look at the Dixie's going down. It's kind of in that $100 or in that 100 point range. So it was up in the 120s. Things have started to go dovish. They're redoing their plan. Not redoing, but they're altering their plan for interest rates and all these inflation rates because they're trying to cool down inflation and all these different things. So once you know the fundamentals, then you can come to the charts, do the technicals, right? And then once you understand how price moves, price delivers, how it manipulates, how it grabs liquidity, mitigation, and all these different things, you can come up with a very good trading plan that, let's say, you're not profitable right now, because most people aren't profitable. You can become profitable through understanding how Wyckoff structure plays out. You can understand how banks move this money and how it all interconnects. It all interconnects. Um, from high time frame to low time frame, whether you're a scalper, intraday, or swing trader, these are all things you can really dial in to make a great, almost a perfect trading strategy. Now, psychology and all those other things are part of the trading, but if you were to do it from a robotic standpoint, uh, understand Wyckoff schematic one, the accumulation structure into distribution, is a perfect, perfect way out to start your journey as a trader. Like, and understanding risk management, trade management, all these different things will make you a successful trader. So today we just want to talk about how price is fractal. We have this on the 5 minute, right? We can go to the 30 minute. Just 1 second here. Computer's been a little slow today. Yeah, I mean right here, I caught a great. I didn't even know this was here. I caught a great trade here on 30 minute. Um, yeah, we come over to GU. Um, this was a great trade. We Again, this is the schematic. We had the selling climax, automatic rally. So after the selling climax, you get an automatic rally of bulls. You get the UT. You get a sell off. Now down here, we're looking for this spring. It's gonna come down here and grab this buy side liquidity, right? It's gonna take out these stop losses before moving higher. Like I said, this is a perfect example. We had a spring, we get in, and price delivers to the upside. Just how just how we just talked about Wyckoff structure, it plays out here on the GU. Perfect trade. I think I caught a, what was this? It was a 1 to 3, 1 to 3. I mean, on a $100,000 account, that's 3 grand. I mean, it is one of the best ways to understand the structure of markets, and this applies to all structures. So if you're trading oil, forex, commodities, all these different things, price delivers the same way every time. So once you understand that, trading gets a lot easier. You can make it a lot more systematic. You can then introduce like maybe partials, different types of trading strategies, and you can really grab money out of this market doing the same thing every day, understanding how money is delivered, how price is delivered, how it's fractal, and understanding how these bigger time frames all incorporate each other. So the 5 minute is playing into the 30 minute. The 30 minutes playing into the hour. The hour's playing into the 4 hour. The 4 hours playing into the day. Um, so yeah, that's basically what we want to talk about today. And yeah, so next video we'll probably go over a different topic, maybe trading management, or we'll go deeper into Wyckoff structure if you guys have questions. But yeah, thank you.